Hopefully, everyone is having a good weekend, and it's time for your pre-market watch list with yours truly, Dex the Algo Capitalist. And I'm also here with my main man, Frank. We're going to bring you what's going on in these markets, and you definitely want to see what's going on with this Bitcoin.
That's
So
right.
that's what we're going to do. All right, and right after that, then I'm gonna let my man Frank say a few words. So
Hey.
let's go. You want to say what's up to the people, man?
Yeah. Hey, Dex. How you doing, man? I'm excited. It's another week. We've been having a great time in the bullpen sessions. So I'm looking forward to getting another week going. And want to let people know this session is special. All of our sessions are special, Dex. We love them
Of
all. They're
course
like
they
our little
are.
babies. But I'm not logged into my own website. How embarrassing. But that's okay because you don't need to log into my website either. You can go to pulsewavetrading.com and click on webinars. And we are having this session that we're on right now. That's this that you're watching. At the end, we're going to cut off the public feeds and we're going to go private uh, to answer our members' questions and go over stuff. But also today, after that, at the very end, we're going to do a brief Team Dex webinar, and that's where people can. In fact, I have a whole web page about it. Here it is, Team Dex. So you can learn all about how to have Dex trade for you. And we've got a brand new webinar about that, updating some of the ways that we're approaching it. And if you're interested, or if you've been interested in the past, I know we've had people who wanted to get in and then, they didn't get to it or they had some issue. This is a great time to come and talk to us, and we can support you, answer your questions, and figure out how to get you started with it. Other than that, we're about to look at Bitcoin and get into some serious trading. And folks, you can always learn about what we do in Dex's Algo Capitalist bullpen, all new, 2 sessions a day plus these attack reports where you learn. These are algo trigger trend alert catcher reports. And if you're looking to trade almost anything worth trading, we've got reports on them that are updated 5 nights a week. And then you get to see how Dex uses his favorite of those reports. There's thousands of them, but he uses his watch list to trade these markets. So I'm going to get out of the way until we transition to our webinar and let Dex, man, go ahead and do your thing.
All right, thank you for that update, my man.
My pleasure.
All right, so we're gonna jump right into things. We got a couple of charts, and then we're gonna break away to our private session. All right, good news for our XRP Ripple people. You broke above 60 cents resistance
Nice.
finally. Got into 62 cents, as a matter of fact. So you're on your way now to the target of 67.21. And once that's taken out, the next upside target is 73.49. And then finally 85.26. So you still have one, two, three places to go, but you got over the first hurdle of 60. Now, the next thing is for the market to make 60 the new support. That's how we'll know that this market is truly maturing and ready to go. So, yeah, it's looking like the bull market that it's still maintained, even in all this chop, is ready to reclaim the price action for XRP Ripple. So good luck there. It's had to bring that to your attention. And then the next one here is Zcash, ZEC. Yeah, look at that. Nice move up, breaking
I,
out
I
above
I've been
30.
abused by Zcash. I'm used to not hearing any good things. I'm so excited for our guy who loves it.
I know. Look, check this out. The first target of 32.37 is right here. And this
Wow.
market went to 33.26. So
Well,
you took
congratulations
this
to our
out.
dude. Hope he was ready.
Yeah, the next one here is 33.37. That's what it's gunning for right now. If it can get a nice close above that this weekend, it opens the door for a big run, folks. And that's way back here, folks. Yeah, this market looks like it's ready to do something. So this officially is a bear market rally that is now starting to materialize, and it's starting to mature. So this is interesting for this market. How high will it go? And of course, we're not going to neglect the big ones that people always talk about, and that's silver. Unfortunately, silver broke above the $23 bottom of the Kumo cloud resistance. Next target would be logically $24. The problem is we still have a bearish algo shift in face of the bullish trend momentum reading. So that may put a cap into how high it can go. Normally, with these two back-to-back positive bot checks, we knew a big upsurge was coming, but I think another one is coming. I think 24, it may actually be able to do it. Can it sustain it? I'm not so sure about that, but these back-to-back up leg are already starting to take place. So, way to go for the analysis. Those positive bot checks and negative bot checks play out, man, like clockwork. So silver is trying still to stay alive and have a bear market rally materialize. So this is going to be interesting to see how it moves to start off the week. Then now we have gold. Now gold is another big one here. Here it is. Gold also broke out above the Kumo cloud resistance, but it still has a negative bot check that hasn't materialized yet, which means a big down leg is coming despite this nice little breakout here on Friday. And you still have a bearish trend momentum reading, which means you're still in sell the rally mode. Now, I know you got the bullish algo shift, which is helping to keep the market propped up, but just remember this negative bot check has to be flushed out at some point. So it's still maintaining a bull market configuration, but it still has an uphill battle as well with all these negative bot checks. So just something to think about as we are moving forward. Now, if you notice too, Ethereum has been following the Bitcoin doing rather well. Now, the Ethereum futures on Friday gave us a crash alert for Sunday night into Monday. So this one is something to definitely watch. The markets are still maintaining right now in the cash market. So it's going to be interesting to watch. But a pullback could make this price drop back down below 3,000. So that would be a $400+ decline coming on any type of a pullback correction in the Ethereum. Just something to be noted. And then, of course, last but not least, Bitcoin futures ended on Friday, staying neutral with a new 52-week high, then back-to-back narrow range inside days, which usually sets up a leg down or a breakout higher. So we'll see how the markets want to carry it. We still got time before the 6 p.m. Futures and Forex opens tonight. So we'll see what's up. All right, that does it for our public segment. Frank, you want to take it away?
Yeah, man. All right. So, Ancient Path read my mind, dude. I literally was like, oh, I don't want to interrupt him, but I'd like to hear about Theta. And the Ancient One, our new best friend, requested Theta. Could you take a look at it?
I'm not accustomed to doing anything that people want me to do.
Stop.
So I'm just
You
going
make
to
people
say
need to stress
no.
the audience out. They don't know that you have a robot sense of humor.
Okay. Here's your Theta. Oh, wow. I'm
Dude,
impressed. Look
I
at
literally
Theta.
was just sending texts to somebody about Theta because
New 52-week
I'm a fan.
highs
I'm a fan. Full disclosure.
and a rally alert for Sunday night into Monday's trading. I'm
Dude,
impressed.
I'm so glad they asked. I was just saying to a friend, hey, maybe you should take profit on that, man.
I ignored this market as far as coverage in our
Dude,
chart segments because for so long it was doing absolutely nothing. But it's been on the report, so if you've been a follower of it,
yeah.
you could have wrote these post waves and had fun with it.
Well, I'll tell you, I've been watching Theta for years just as a fan of what they're doing. And they recently made a great, and this is not like a paid segment or anything, but I do like them. So they, for a while, people thought Theta was like a crypto YouTube, and you'd mention it to people and they'd go, oh yeah, it's like a crypto YouTube, blah, blah, blah. And it was like, they recently, I respected this. They came out and they were like, hey, anybody who's using our Theta streaming thing, we're shutting it down because people think that's what we do and that's not what we do. And I was
Wow.
like, wow. they burn the ships, so to speak, the old expression. So they're coming out. Their idea is that they're going to be a first of all, they have like an AI thing that they're doing, but I'm not sure the details of that. But well, I take it back. That's what it's about. It's all about providing bandwidth. Well, best I understand it, providing bandwidth for streaming, because it's just the needs are tremendous. And I might be saying it technically wrong, but helping the internet using Web3 and AI. So
Gotcha.
yeah, I like Theta. I'm interested to see what they're going to do, and it's very cool. But do your own research. Okay, folks. With that done, thanks for doing that, Dex. It's so funny that Ancient Path came up, because I was just thinking, man, I should have asked to look at Theta, but I was working on our slides. All right, folks, we're going. I'm going to share my screen here. We're going to this webinar. We're already doing it right here. You just go to pulsewavetrading.com, click on webinars. You'll be able to watch the rest of any questions we answer, any orders that Dex wants to put in, or anything like that. And then we're going to do a brief Team Dex webinar, tell you about how Dex can trade for you. But please check out pulsewavetrading.com and some of the exciting new stuff that we've done. We've really revamped everything. And we're very proud of the things that we're offering now, as well as the things that are going to release soon. So keep up with us. We're doing cool stuff, and we want you to be a part of it. Thanks, everybody. We're going to say goodbye to Rumble. Goodbye, Rumble.
Goodbye,
Love
Rumble.
you. Love you, you non-censoring channel, you. Love you, X, who may or may not be run by the Antichrist. I don't know. We'll find out.